In this video, I'm going to show you how to unpublish, delete, draft, schedule, and password protect a post on your WordPress site. Posts go on the blog by default. I'm currently on the blog URL. Usually it's just your domain name /blog and has a list of all the posts on your site. In this case, we have two. This one, how to boil an egg, it looks pretty good. It's got a nice picture, a lot of content. Okay, great. But this one is not ready yet. This is the test post, is all it says for the title, and there's nothing there. So we want to make sure that this doesn't happen. This doesn't just publish onto our blog, and if it does, this is how we fix it. We go into our dashboard, open that in a new tab, and we go to our posts list. We find the post that's published that shouldn't be. Go to quick edit. On status on the right, it shows scheduled, but it's clearly published. Change to draft, and then update. And now this post is not going to be on our blog list anymore. It's gone, but it's still on the site. It's not deleted. It's still there, and we can make edits to it and change it and make sure it's ready and then publish it. If you do truly want to put the post in the trash, you just click this link and it will be deleted. I'll show you more about that at the end of the video. Let's go into edit first so I can show you some more options related to publishing and unpublishing a post. Click on this icon up here if it's not active. Make sure you're on the post tab. And then we see right here under status, we have draft, which is what we just changed it to. And we have a lot more options here that we can choose that weren't on the quick edit options. So we can change it to pending, which means it's waiting for a review before publishing. Make it private, only visible to site admins and editors. We can schedule it to publish in the future, or we can publish it right now to make it visible to everyone. We can also password protect it. Just check this box and enter a password. I'm going to choose 1234. For the purposes of this video. For yours, please choose a better password, then click on save, and I think we have to publish it too. Let's view the preview. No, we don't. So you can just save it. The status is pending currently. You can choose any one of these statuses. If you want to send this to your uncle, for example, to review the page, choose published plus password protected. And then when you go to the page, it'll show this password field, and you can't see what's on the page until you enter the password. In fact, let's just enter something here so I can prove it to you. Let's enter just anything that's right there. If we save that, and now if we come out here and refresh, we can't see it, but if I enter this password that we chose, 1234, we now see the content. So you can send the URL to this page out to whoever you want, give them the password as well, then only they can see it and give feedback, and it's super handy. Now the last thing I want to show you is how to trash a post and get rid of it permanently so it's just gone. To do that, let's go to our post list. We see our post right here. We hover over any post, we'll see more options appear. The trash link is a giveaway as to what that one does. If we click on it, it goes into our trash bin. The trash bin can be accessed by clicking up here. It shows 3 posts in here currently. If we click on delete permanently, that post will be gone forever, unless you have a backup process in place to get it back, it's going to be gone. If you click on restore, it's going to go back into your main post list as a draft, and you can work with it from there. If you leave something in the trash for more than 30 days, WordPress will delete it for you. So there's that to consider. If you're on the fence about keeping a post, you should keep it as a draft rather than putting it in the trash bin. And that's all there is to it. If you got value from this video, make sure you like and subscribe to let me know. Then check out this video on your screen right now, which shows you how to speed up your WordPress site. Speed is a ranking factor in Google and maybe other search engines. So make sure your site's fast by watching that video, and I'll see you there.